And we begin tonight with yet another major medical provider reducing hours at its urgent care clinics. It comes after Idaho's Department of Health and Welfare said crisis standards of care are imminent for Southwest Idaho hospitals.
And beginning tomorrow, St. Alphonsus will be reducing its hours at 11 of its clinics around the Treasure Valley. You might recall Primary Health made a similar decision nearly 2 weeks ago to help with its overcapacity.
Tristan Lewis spoke with leaders for more insight on these decisions. Tristan, we're not just seeing ICUs now on the brink, but urgent care centers as well.
Kim, both medical groups say they expect this move to be temporary and will assess on a regular basis. But you're right, it's staff in all corners of healthcare who are feeling these effects. Providers say it's a tough move because they want to help everyone.
Normally, we see about 1,000 patients a day in August in our urgent care. The last 10 days, we've been seeing over 2,000 patients many of the days.
The strain on healthcare workers around the Treasure Valley continues as more and more patients visit urgent care clinics. Health groups say most of this increase is from COVID-19 patients.
We've been noticing a trend really for the past month or so, and really significantly increasing over the past few weeks. It's really been a significant change.
A lot of the increase in patients comes in the evening hours. To provide some relief to the employees, several Primary Health and St. Alphonsus urgent care clinics are reducing their hours of operation.
Part of working in the urgent care, I think we all know that there may be some busy evenings, and there may be some times where we stay late, but the consistent 2 to 3 hours after closure and the volumes with the increased acuity has really been exhausting for our staff.
Primary Health has been implementing its new hours for nearly 2 weeks. For the medical group, it's been a mix of increased patients and staffing shortages. CEO Dr. David Peterman says even though they're only closing an hour earlier, it's been a tremendous weight lifted off the shoulders of employees.
It sends the message to the employees at Primary Health that we care about them and that we have to help them some way. It gives the staff more time at the end of the day to finish their charting and frankly get ready for the next morning.
Both medical groups say having to turn people away is not why healthcare workers got into the industry. But to be able to provide the best care and not continue to be overwhelmed day in and day out, it's necessary to do so.
Just imagine if you're having difficulty answering the phones, if it's hard to see patients because you just have so many of them and you can't test them, it has reverberating ramifications to the whole system.
St. Alphonsus will begin its new hour starting tomorrow. Most will be open from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m., but hours vary by location. In the meantime, Primary Health is open from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. at all of their locations. And again, Dr. Peterman urges everyone to continue masking up and those eligible to get vaccinated. Kim and Mark.
Yeah, they keep sounding the alarms for this. Yeah. All right, Tristan, thank you.